Dali knock-knock ni Mama. Hi guys! Here we are in our Ayrshire. Ayun na. Are you happy na?
Yeah.
I'm look, I'm black compared to you. You're so white. Look. What happened to the bear? Who ate the bear? What the bear been eating?
A seal.
Oh, really? Oh, poor seal. Eating by the bear. Tuman ako na ko eh. Okay. Guys, I cannot wash the dishes kasi may sira. Sige na. Ina nga. Hi guys. Sige. Ina, hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome to our channel. Ina, hi guys. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome channel. What's your channel? Denise
Cathy.
Makati. Denise Maris. Louder. Journey. I'm gonna bite you.
Tighter.
Welcome to our channel, Denise Maris Journey. Bitaw guys, oy. Here we are. Come on. We'll show the guys. Yeah, it's a nice apartment, guys, where we are right now. Although it's not sunny, but it's okay. No? That's their kitchen.
Hello.
That's Denise hiding at my back. Where are you now?
I'm behind the food.
Behind my clothes. And this is cute Telly. And then, where's Daddy? Trying to park the car. And then, it's a nice bathroom. See the bathroom? There. Ta-da! And then, our bedroom. Denise, hiding my... That's our bedroom. Ta-da! And there's Denise hiding at my back. Hey! Ta-da! Knock, uy. And this is our bed!
Let's sleep in the bed.
Huh?
We can play in the bed if you want.
What?
We can play in the bed if you want.
You can what?
Play in the bed if you want.
Play!
And the bed.
Bed is not for playing.
Why?
It's for sleeping. And hi guys.
Goodbye, guys.
Goodbye guys.
Good night, guys. I want to sleep. Good night, guys.
Mahulog ka.
I just
What's
want
your
to
back?
sleep.
What's your back?
I'm watching my back. Good night, Mom and Dad. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Bah.
Good night. Good night.
Denise is gone, guys. No more Denise. Ah! Ay, nako. Mama, mommy is only for rich. We are poor. We are mama only.
No! No, that's too tiny for me!
Kiss sa si mama, kiss. Kiss mama, dali. Tarong nga. Kiss and hug. Kiss and hug. Kiss and hug. Hug. That hurts. What hurts hurting? What's hurt?
You're too heavy.
Am I?
Yes, you have to go off the bed. Go off the bed. Go to your own side.
Where's my side?
There.
Where? There's no pillow there.
You should go on this side.
What is the Bisaya of blanket?
Oh, that's too tiny.
This one. What the Bisaya of this? What's the Bisaya? Ha?
Ha?
Louder.
Ha?
Taro nga ba?
Ha? Ha?
Habol!
Hello.
Ikaw, habol.
Hello.
Habol.
Hello.
Habol.
Oh, get off your own side here.
Where's my side?
Here.
That's daddy. We'll be sleeping in the floor.
Where are you going to sleep?
In the roof. At the roof.
Why? Good night.
Ay, nako. Bye.
Goodbye. Mom.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Hala, kadako na nako.
It's still nighttime, so I have to go to bed. Good night.
Bye.
He's narrowed down the source of the sweet aroma. Just one problem.
That's the outside.
Wait,
We're moving? Really?
yeah,
Where?
Good morning.
somewhere else. It's 10-minute instructions.
Good morning.
Good morning. I slept good.
Really?
I slept well.
Oh, dear, 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 dear. Bye-bye, guys. See you later.
See you later.
Bye.
Yeah.